Alright, welcome all. So in this video we will learn about the differences between Excel macro and VBA, Excel VBA. So we hardly get the right answer from right people that what are the differences between VBA and macros. So in just 2 minutes I will explain you everything. So the VBA stands for Visual Basic for Application, and the macros are just nothing, it's just the steps you are recording, which means a piece of code you are writing, a piece of code that you have recorded with the help of a macro or record a macro, and when you have to modify that code, you will be modifying that into in VBA. So the VBA is your editor, and the macros are your code, a piece of code. It can be anything. So let me give you a kind of demonstration here. So I'm gonna say write equal to 3. Let me first start recording the macro. So normally what happens, as soon as you open the Excel, you don't see developer tab here. So if you don't see the developer tab here, you can just simply click on file, and you can do that. So I think it's quite easy. So just click on developer, click on the record macro, and give a name. For example, I'm gonna say demo. Okay, so I'm gonna say 3 minus 1. What is that? 2. And when I will stop the macro, I will have that piece of code somewhere. Let's see. So in that situation, what I will do, I will just click on macros here, or press Alt plus F8. Okay, and this is the demo, and I'm gonna say run or edit. Okay, if I run, it will just give the same result, same value in the same cell. So let's modify that. Now click on the select the demo, the macro name which I just gave, click on edit, and there it is. That's your VBA. This is your VBA editor. Okay, so if you just rely on macro, that you record everything from macro, with the help of macro you can do anything, no, you cannot. You will have to take help. You will have to do some modification in the code in the VBA, and then you will be able to do whatever you want to do with your report, right? So that's how it is. That's the definition. That's a difference between macros and VBA. It's very simple. Macros are just a piece of code. This is your piece of code. And where are you writing? You are writing that into VBA. You are modifying that into VBA. Recorder macro has just recorded your steps, but you are writing now something, right? When you have to do some modification, like for example, you have to open something, close something, right? Then you have to modify into VBA editor. So hope this is quite easy example I gave you. Okay, so in short, macros are just a piece of code, and VBA is your editor. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.